Welcome to our channel. In today's tutorial, we're diving into a straightforward process: how to log out of your Instagram account on an Android device. Whether you're sharing your device with someone else or just want to ensure your privacy, logging out is an essential step. Let's get started. First, you'll want to open the Instagram app on your Android device. Look for that familiar camera icon in your app drawer or on your home screen and tap it to launch. Next, once you're in your Instagram feed, head over to your profile. You can easily do this by tapping your profile picture, located at the bottom right corner of the screen. This will take you to your profile where you can manage your account settings. Now, look for the menu icon at the top right of your profile page. It's represented by 3 horizontal lines, often referred to as the hamburger menu. Give that a tap, and you'll see a list of options unfold. As you scroll down through the menu, keep an eye out for the Logout option. Once you see the Logout button, go ahead and select it. This is where you start the process of disconnecting from your account. Finally, Instagram will ask you to confirm your decision to log out. This is your chance to double-check if you're ready to leave your account temporarily. Go ahead and confirm. And just like that, you've logged out. And there you have it. You've successfully logged out of your Instagram account. It's an easy task, but one that's important for maintaining your online security and privacy. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.